Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A large, sun-drenched living room, hyper-realistic, filled with lush tropical plants. Archways frame tall windows overlooking a lush outdoor space with greenery and a pool. The room features light beige/taupe sectional sofas with neutral cushions, placed on a patterned rug. The lighting is warm and natural, casting soft shadows on the room's floor. Wooden furniture, coffee tables and lamps add a touch of texture to the space. The plants are various shades of deep and vibrant green. The walls are a muted brownish gray, and the floor is a light gray stone. The overall impression is one of tranquil luxury and tropical elegance. Hyper-realistic exterior of a tropical home, orange stucco walls, dark brown tile roof, wooden deck with a gravel pathway, lush green tropical plants and foliage, various types of succulents and ferns, a few colorful flowers, outdoor seating area with wicker furniture and colorful throw pillows, warm orange and green tones, natural light streaming through the open doorways, shadows from the trees and foliage, a sense of tranquility and relaxation, wooden pathway of varying heights and patterns. Leading to the home, detailed textures of the wood and plants. Mid-century modern home exterior, lush garden, hyper-realistic, sunlight, terracotta brick house with a flat roof, low, sleek profile, large windows, well-manicured hedges bordering a meandering pathway of light brownish-red pavers, gravel, or small stones, a mix of green grasses, shrubs, and trees, a soft, neutral color palette of greens, browns, and beiges, landscaped gardens, Japanese garden style. Pathway with stones leading to the house, sunlit scene, trees around the house. Natural daylight, detailed textures, focus on the architectural design and outdoor landscaping, peaceful atmosphere, clear visibility of the house structure, smooth lines, modern detail. Mid-century modern home exterior, lush garden, hyper-realistic, sunlight, terracotta brick house with a flat roof, low, sleek profile, large windows, well-manicured hedges bordering a meandering pathway of light brownish-red pavers, gravel, or small stones, a mix of green grasses, shrubs, and trees, a soft, neutral color palette of greens, browns, and beiges, landscaped gardens, Japanese garden style. Pathway with stones leading to the house, sunlit scene, trees around the house. Natural daylight, detailed textures, focus on the architectural design and outdoor landscaping, peaceful atmosphere, clear visibility of the house structure, smooth lines, modern detail. Photorealistic garden scene, rustic wooden cottage with flower boxes, colorful flowers, orange and yellow marigolds, and other assorted blooms, stone pathway leading to the cottage, lush greenery, soft light, muted tones of gray, brown, and beige on the cottage and surrounding plants, warm orange and yellow hues from the flowers, tranquil peaceful atmosphere, detailed foliage, impressionistic feel to the flower beds. Photorealistic, tropical garden at sunset, lush greenery, vibrant orange/coral hibiscus flowers in foreground, dark, carved, ornate, dark brown/black lanterns with warm orange flames, a light brown thatched roof house out of focus in the background, warm golden hour sunset colors, soft focus on flowers, glowing string lights/lanterns hanging around the house, detailed foliage, soft light, impressionistic bouquet, mid-ground grass, high definition, detailed texture on lanterns. Hyper-realistic, Zen garden scene. Modern, low-slung, dark gray house with large glass sliding doors overlooking a meticulously landscaped, Zen-style garden. Pathway of smooth, dark gray, flat stones, steps leading along a bed of small, dark gray river rocks. Various plants, dark green ferns, and lush foliage abound, creating a tranquil atmosphere. Soft, warm lighting accents the garden, highlighting the stones and plants. Warm, golden orangish light filtering through the glass doors of the house illuminates the indoor space. Decorative outdoor fire elements and lighting features add to the peaceful ambience. Detailed textures of the rocks, plants, and wooden furniture. Hyper-realistic, Zen garden scene. Modern, low-slung, dark gray house with large glass sliding doors overlooking a meticulously landscaped, Zen-style garden. Pathway of smooth, dark gray, flat stones, steps leading along a bed of small, dark gray river rocks. Various plants, dark green ferns, and lush foliage abound, creating a tranquil atmosphere. Soft, warm lighting accents the garden, highlighting the stones and plants. Warm, golden orangish light filtering through the glass doors of the house illuminates the indoor space. Decorative outdoor fire elements and lighting features add to the peaceful ambience. Detailed textures of the rocks, plants, and wooden furniture. Modern minimalist wooden house nestled in a lush forest, hyper-realistic, warm ambient lighting filtering through large glass windows illuminating the interior of the house, showcasing a cozy living space with soft furnishings, wooden floors, and low lighting, stone pathway leading to the entrance of the house, wet and mossy ground and plants, deep forest green trees surrounding the house, rich earthy tones, dappled sunlight, detailed foliage, calm atmosphere, soft light reflecting off the pathway, subtle details of the landscaping, tranquil scene, architectural photography. Photorealistic garden path, wooden cabin, colorful flowers, cobblestone walkway, lush greenery, vibrant blue, orange, yellow, and purple flowers, dark brown wooden cabin, a dark gray metal basin, impressionistic, a winding path through a garden filled with colorful flowers and lush greenery bordering a quaint wooden cabin, stones and mulch, medium green grass, soft sunlight, focus on the flowers and the pathway, depth of field. Hyper-realistic, lush tropical jungle garden scene. A waterfall cascades down a vertical wall of vibrant green foliage, dense and varied with many different leaf types and textures. Bright, rich greens dominate but with pops of orange-red in flowers and some plants. A dark, still, rectangular pool of water sits beneath the waterfall, reflecting the surrounding greenery and light. The pool's surface is dark teal green, with subtle ripples and reflections. Wooden decking, a reddish-brown/dark orange, lines the pool's edges. Detailed, realistic textures on the plants and water are essential. The leaves look convincingly organic, and the water has a three-dimensional quality. Hyper-realistic interior garden hallway, sunlight streaming through large glass doors, lush tropical plants cascading down both sides of a pathway, various shades of green foliage, light brown stone tile flooring, terracotta pots holding plants, wooden beamed ceiling. Natural light creates warm, golden tones on the floor and plants, with subtle shadows. Glass doors lead to an outdoor garden filled with similar lush greenery. Impressionistic rendering of the greenery, with soft focus around the plants. Focus on the smooth transitions of light from the sunlight on the stone pathway and the plants. Photorealistic, interior, lush garden room, large window, sunlight streaming through, vibrant green foliage, various plants, hanging plants, potted plants, warm brown tones, terracotta pots, low wooden benches, orange/brown cushions/pillows, wooden beams, natural light, impressionistic, tropical plants, detailed leaves, organic shapes, peaceful, meditation space, soft sunlight filtering through the leaves, realism, detailed shadows, textures of leaves and wood, warm lighting, depth of field. Hyper-realistic interior courtyard, terracotta walls, arched doorways, lush greenery, various plants and flowers in terracotta pots, vibrant tropical foliage, a red and brown patterned round rug on a terracotta tiled floor, arched windows offering a view of a garden, warm orange and red tones, natural light streaming in, detailed textures of plants, pots, and walls, focus on the plants and the patterned tile rug. Hyper-realistic indoor garden, terracotta red walls, large round carved wooden medallion, tropical plants in terracotta pots, low wooden futon/daybed with patterned throw pillows, colorful rug, stone floor, sunlight streaming through a window with lush greenery outside, wooden beams, darker wood accents, warm colors, decorative wall hangings, red and orange accents, floral patterns on pillows, detailed foliage, decorative bowls and planters, mid-century modern style, detailed textures, vibrant colors, natural light. Photorealistic greenhouse, lush tropical plants, sunlit path, terracotta pots, large leaves, vibrant green, orange, and red flowers, glass walls, sunbeams filtering through glass, shadows on the ground, impressionistic lighting, detailed textures, botanical garden, interior scene, tropical foliage, realistic plants, well-maintained garden.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4 DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.